Thank you, Mark, and a big hello from London. Over the last 2 months or so, we have seen many weekly technical patterns, far more than I would have expected when compared to similar periods in the past. These weekly technical patterns would inevitably have to stop sometime. And I think the first signs of this happening, well, they happened this past week. We have only had one weekly technical pattern of note, and it got me thinking, why? The main reason, and there are others, but the main reason I think is fairly simple from a technical analysis point of view, as well as a personal point of view. And I have to highlight that. Given the run up or down in a number of patterns, ones that have worked or ones that have had immediate countering patterns, it seems that those patterns we have seen in recent weeks over the course of the last 2 months or so have caused prices to create trends, which they are now following. Hence, no longer the immediate need for significant weekly patterns to show the way. Hence, we have a pause in weekly patterns after seeing a lot of them. In truth, we have seen a natural rundown in patterns over the last 2 weeks due to the summer in the Northern Hemisphere, sporting events, and the onset of the holiday season. This doesn't mean that we'll see continued halt to longer-term technical patterns, because I am already looking forward to collating the monthly technical analysis patterns for July, as I mentioned only this morning in my daily Brent crude oil commentary. However, I wanted to explain why today there was only one weekly technical analysis pattern, which I will be discussing. And it is a somewhat obtuse one. We had a weekly key reversal down last week in a freight index, the Baltic Supramax index. This week we have already seen a significant follow-on lower to this pattern, and what is more, the prior weekly key reversal up in late March through to the turn lower last week has caught the whole move up. We're now seemingly heading lower. As of last night, prices rested on the medium moving average, currently at 1649. They've been pressing lower right from the start of this week. As always, I'm happy to answer any direct questions with anyone who's interested. And with that, I'll finish this section from London, and I hope that you found these comments useful. Thank you for watching and listening. This weekly broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and at the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpick and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.